If he runs, I gotta go. Help out.
Everybody calling. They're in the bubble. Air 197, we'll call it. They're in the parking lot going around warehouse north of the gas station, the Surface Gas.
Please,
Great, you said they were unit follow it.
stand for units 31 Air 1 calling in.
Alright, if y'all set up around the perimeter of that business, they can't go and get out. Hailing on foot, eastbound, towards the railroad track.
Stay in your car! Stay in your car! Stay in your car! Here! 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 Stay in your car! Here! Here! That way! That way! That way! Here it comes! Hey, now, you got the restaurant on the stove! Park it, man! Park it! Here! Park it! Park it, man! Park it! Park it! Park it! Park it! Park it! Park it! Get on the ground!
I'm on the ground.
Get on the ground!
I'm on the ground. Come on, man. Come on,
Get on the ground!
Come on.
Roll over to your stomach!
Hey,
Roll to your stomach!
Take him off me.
Roll to your stomach!
Off me.
Get on your stomach!
Come on, man.
Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back! Other one! Now! Now! Let's go! Put your hands behind your back!
Ow!
Alright, get him off!
Ow! Ow! Get off me! Get in there!
God! Oh! Gosh!
Get in there! I can do it. I need to be going on me.
Follow me! Follow me!
I can't.
We're going to light!
Get moving.
Listen, we're going to drag you out and roll up and stand up. Your choice.
I'm dehydrated.
You're not dehydrated. Just slow the car. So I grab one side, I'll grab the other one. Just drag them out. Stand up.
I'm trying to sit up. My legs are down.
Your legs not tied down. Pull it out.